County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dalton, Vernal, Tunnel Hill, Cohutta, Sumac, Beaverdale, Gregory, Crandall, Cisco, Tinga, Donville, and Cohutta Wilderness. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At midnight in Gainesville, it was cloudy.